Welcome to the Sunfixings V2 Middle Clamp installation guide. The V2 Middle Clamp is designed to fit both 30mm and 35mm modules. Step 1. Insert the T-bolt. Slide the T-bolt into the rail channel. Step 2. Position the panel. Place the panel onto the rails, making sure the clamps will sit inside the specified clamping zone of the panel, ensuring it is firmly butted against both panels. Step 3. Check that the T-bolt is fully engaged in the rail channel. Then hand tighten the nut using a T45 hand tool or carefully with the provided T45 drill bit at low speed. Important, never use high-speed power tools or impact drivers as these may damage the nut. Step 5. Apply final torque. Using a torque wrench, tighten all clamps to 18 Newton meters. That's it. Your V2 middle clamps are now securely installed. Thank you for choosing Sunfixings.